Have you people been sending her pictures of? Have you people been sending her pictures of her units?
I don't come to sites.
Okay.
And make sure relate with most times.
This one?
Yes. Yes. So I just suggest you go for Hill City.
So this is the 4-bedroom.
Yeah.
Describe how the finishing will be. That's, you know, she's going for carcass.
Yes.
So describe what else is needed to be completed here.
Okay.
What else is needed? Is that what's that at the back? Is it attached? Attached, Bicky, or detached?
Yes. No, attached.
Attached.
Okay. So
we are going to roof. Yes, roof, full windows, external doors, and that's all. And plaster too. Then the compound, we fence it round.
So we're expecting roofing, we're expecting windows, external doors,
yes.
plastering in and out.
Yes.
I believe
in. Out. Rather. Yeah.
Okay, people don't plaster the inside.
No. She will do the interior.
The interior.
Yes.
What about the but you do normal German floor now?
Yes.
That's inside the house.
Yes. We'll do that.
Then you people take care of the compound.
Yes.
Okay. I believe the conduit pipes must have been there for maybe electrical and plumbing. I can't see any because I can't see any conduit pipe. The contract. No, I'm not picking it now.
Okay.
I can't see any conduit pipe yet.
I can't say that.
No conduit pipes, both electrical and plumbing.
Well, the one that I never put down is that is fully normal flow. That's the one. You know, it's done that one.
Okay.
No, we're not done the normal flow.
Okay. So is there a time frame we are looking at? Let's say for the carcass to be delivered, to be ready. I know the estate does not look ready now, but yes, the carcass itself to be delivered. Is there a time frame we are looking at?
I need to discuss with my boss. But is she looking at a particular time?
At least according to her, she's at the verge of finishing up all the payments. Yes. So she just wanted to know how far she has gone, everything, and we know how to proceed. So it's important we get to know when it will be ready. From what I can see, I don't think there is much work, although there is still work. But since you people are delivering carcass, yes, I don't think there is much work to be done. Once you get it to the roofing level, the carpentry work, the roof, the German floor, the external plastering, windows and doors from your description now, then you take care of the compound. All that should be a couple of maybe weeks or months if one is determined to get it delivered. Okay, I would use the other camera so that I can see. Since I can't go inside, let that one help me go inside.